So we have this 15-pound purple weighted blanket. Obviously, you can see Kenzie's taking hold of it. A brand sent us this to try out, and we have another weighted blanket, but the let's see, this thing's super thick, and what I like about it is there's, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but the squares are sewn in. So the weights, whatever it is, it's sand or there's like granules that make it weighted, is going to stay in these little squares instead of pulling up at the end of the blanket. She is plenty big to cover her body with, and the cover says "sleeping in a hug." Does it feel like you're sleeping in a hug?
Yeah, it does.
What's your favorite part about the weighted blanket?
It keeps me warm, like a normal comforter, and it makes me feel cozy.
What do you give it? Thumbs up?
Give it an 8 out of 10. I'm Kenzie, and I'll see you next time.